I was broke, tired, burnt out, and honestly, I needed a win. So I did what any desperate, slightly unhinged entrepreneur would do. I opened up ChatGPT and said, "Build me a business that makes money while I sleep." No joke, that was the prompt. And what it gave me actually worked. ChatGPT's first question was, "What are your skills, resources, and time availability?" I replied with, "I have a laptop, $0, and a willingness to work 2-3 hours a day. But I don't want to show my face, and I need it to be scalable and automated." Bold request, right? But ChatGPT didn't flinch. It gave me a step-by-step blueprint to build a faceless YouTube automation channel, powered entirely by AI. Here was the plan it gave me. Step 1. Pick a niche. The goal? Choose something evergreen. Topics that don't fade with time. Things people consistently search for. ChatGPT laid out some high-performing options like AI tools and tech, business hacks, passive income, dark psychology. Each had strong audience interest, but I went with AI tools because I was using AI to build the channel itself. It felt meta, sure, but more importantly, it was effective. The audience for AI is exploding, and every new tool becomes a trend. Step 2. Content. Here's where the magic kicked in. ChatGPT told me to use, well, ChatGPT. It would write the full video script, engaging, optimized, and ready to go. Then I'd run that script through 11 labs, which gave me a natural-sounding AI voiceover in seconds. Next up, Pictory or Veed, tools that took the script and voice, added stock B-roll, music, and effects to turn it into a polished video. The result? No writing, no speaking, no filming. Just drag, drop, and publish. I didn't touch a camera or mic. It was fully automated content creation powered by AI. Step 3. Monetization. Now came the money part. ChatGPT laid out the strategy. While you're working toward YouTube AdSense, start earning now by placing affiliate links in your video descriptions. Simple, but genius. Since my videos already talked about AI tools, I just linked the ones I used: Jasper, Grammarly, Notion AI, Copy.ai Runway, all with affiliate programs. Each one gave me a personal link. Each click was trackable. And every time someone signed up or bought through those links, I got paid. So here's what I did. I asked ChatGPT to write 10 video scripts. I had 11 labs turn those scripts into voiceovers. I used Pictory to generate 5 full-length faceless videos. I uploaded them with titles optimized by ChatGPT itself. And then I waited. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, a trickle of views. Day 3, one video got picked up in search. By the end of week 1, over 4,000 views. And here's the crazy part. 2 affiliate link clicks turned into $42 in commissions in a week. From a brand new channel with $0 spent and 0 face shown. By week 3, that channel was earning $5 $10 per day. Sure, it's not life-changing money yet. But here's the part most people overlook. That content keeps working for me 24/7. While I sleep, travel, or work on other projects, those videos are still generating views and revenue. It's passive income in its purest form. And the best part? It doesn't stop. That same content will continue to bring in earnings next week, next month, and even next year. ChatGPT didn't just give me a side hustle. It gave me a system that I can now duplicate across multiple channels, niches, and platforms. And I didn't need an office, a team, or expensive equipment, just a prompt and some belief. So what did I learn from all this? AI isn't a magic pill, but it's a power tool. If you combine the right tools, you can automate 90% of the process. You don't need money, followers, or a camera. You just need a strategy. And ChatGPT, it gave me that strategy in seconds. If you want me to share the exact prompts I used, the tools I connected, or the breakdown of my full setup, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and let me know. Because I'm going to keep testing how far AI can take this. And I'm taking you with me. Stay automated. Stay cash flow.